Very beautiful ayah. Lan tanalul birra. What is the meaning of tanalu? Nala yanalu. We haven't done it. We are going to do it. To attain, to reach. You will never attain piety. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, this is a statement. Nobody can change. You can never attain piety. Antum. See, tanalu, antum means the whole mankind, you can say. You can never attain piety unless hatta tunfiku. What is the verb of tunfiku? Nafaka is the root. Tunfiku is form 4 and it is anfaka. Yunfiku. Yunfiku. And I write down here amana. These are all form 4, We are going to do them, inshallah. Amana yu'minu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So here we are, brothers and sisters. La tanalul birra. You will never attain piety. You will not attain piety. So, brothers, what is tanalu? If it is yanalu, yanalani, and then yanaluna. Are you with me? And then tanalu, tanalani, tanaluna, and tanalina. So tanalu, lan has come. What happened? The noon got dropped. Fi'lun, mudari'un, mansubun, bi hadfi noon. Where is the file? Wow. What does it mean? Antum. Plural, antum. What is al-birra? Maf'ulun bihi. What is hatta? Unless. Now, when we go in book 3, we will learn more about hatta. Just like lamu ta'lil, brothers and sisters, what is hidden in lamu ta'lil? And what is hidden in hatta? And again, and is hidden in it, which made fi'l mudariya mansub. So what is it? Yunfiku, yunfikani, yunfikuna. Anta, tunfiku, tunfikani, tunfikuna. Okay, we'll do the whole thing, inshallah. Ready? Yunfiku, yunfikani, yunfikuna, tunfiku, tunfikani, hunna, yunfikna, yunfikna. Anta, tunfiku, tunfikani, tunfikuna, tunfikina, tunfikani, antunna, tunfikna. Unfiku, nunfiku. Anfaka, to spend. To spend. Okay, brothers and sisters? Hatta, unless, tunfiku. So actually it is tunfikuna. So fi'lun mudariun mansubun bihadfi noon. Mimma. Min plus ma. Ma al-mawsula. Mimma. Jar majroor. And what is this? A sentence. Tuhibbuna. What you love. Plural. Unless you spend of what you love. If you don't, if you hoard, you will never attain piety. A very powerful statement. Brother? Inshallah. And the sweetness is in its language, brothers and sisters. When you translate, it's lost, brothers and sisters. Very good. قَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. So again, tuhibbuna will be silatul mawsul. Inshallah. Keep that in mind. قَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. قَالَ fi'al. الَّذِينَ fa'il. Fa'il. Here, الَّذِينَ is fa'il. And kafaru is Again a Jumla Fi'liya coming as a Silatul Mawsul. Allazina kafaru. Kafaru fi'lun ma'adin mabniun ala dhamma. Fa'il is waw. So this Jumla, al-Jumlatul Fi'liyatu Silatul Mawsul for Allazina. Lan nu'mina. What is nu'mina? Amana yu'minu. Yu'minu, 5 in your pocket. Tu'minu, u'minu, nu'minu. And always amana billahi. So B harf jar has to come. So what is it? Lan nu'mina bi hadhal Quran. We will not believe in this Quran. Who says that? The kuffar, disbelievers. What do they say? Qala allazina kafaru lan nu'mina. We will not believe in this Quran. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Bi harf jar, hadha ism majrur, al-Quran, badal. Fine, brother. Ayahsibul insan. Ayahsibul insan, brothers and sisters? Question mark. Does man think that lan najma, we shall not gather their bones? This is again a powerful statement, brother? Because the kuffars believe, once we die, that's it. Okay? But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, does man think that we shall not gather their bones? Means we'll give life again. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, najma'a. What is madi? Jama'a. Yajma'u. Bab fatah. Okay, so lan came. Najma'a. Where is the file of najma'a? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu. Nahnu. Nahnu goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will use ana as well as nahnu. When He uses nahnu, it is in all His majesty and greatness. And you must have read in the books and articles, when the kings and emperors and queens, when they address, they say we. They don't say I. It is for their, majesty. Okay?